Hi friends, surely a lot of you heard about Earth Day, April 22nd. Here's a great book called The Earth Book. I want you to think about, so often we see a picture of the earth, the blue, lots of water, and the green, the land. And did you know the earth is made up of at least 70% water? So thinking about Earth Day, we're going to do an experiment. And way up here on the board, I have something called Earth Bubbling Experiment. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take a bottle and fill it a quarter full with water. Fill vegetable oil in the bottle until it's almost full. And then number 3, here you see add a few drops of blue. We'll pretend that's our water. In green for the land, food coloring. 4, drop 1/2 Alka-Seltzer tablet into bottle. And we're going to just watch. Okay, we're going to stop there. There's a 5, and we'll talk about that, but we're going to stop at number 4. So this is what you need. Just a plastic bottle. I'm recycling. There used to be a juice drink in there. And I already put a mark there. You'll need a funnel. I'm not very good at trying to pour the water. So first, number 1 was fill the bottle 1/4 with water. So pour that right through the funnel. Stop when it gets to that black line. Good. Okay, I can set that here. And now we need to fill vegetable oil in the bottle until it's almost full. So I put a line right there to help us. Just vegetable oil. You could use baby oil too, but it's a little more expensive. There's the vegetable oil. And now, do you remember? We're going to use food coloring. I know with our Terrific 3s, we've done different experiments where we've used food coloring. So I just want blue and green. Just put a few drops of each right in there. Ooh, do you see what happened already? Look at that. How about that? It sinks. Going all the way down. All right, and then it says drop 1/2 of an Alka-Seltzer tablet. This is something that most adults would use if ever they have something called heartburn or indigestion, sometimes a headache. So anyway, we're going to use, I tried this experiment a different time. Usually 2 tablets, but it says just 1/2 of one. So let me break that in half. Oh, let's watch what happens. Put it in the bottle. So just watch. Earth's bubbling. Look at that. So see how the oil is floating on top of the water? Because it's less dense, it's lighter than the water. And the food coloring is the same density as the water, so it sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. The tablet fizzle, fizzle, fizzle. As it dissolves, it makes something called gas, a carbon dioxide. Gas or air is lighter than water, so it floats to the top. And if you focus right in there, there's a little bit of that tablet left. Right there. Okay. Well, that was cool. That was bubbly. Now we're going to go to this number 5. It says turn off the lights and drop the other half of the tablet and shine a flashlight through. gonna do that. I have a flashlight right here. Ready? This broke, but it's still a half. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at those bubbles. Like blobs. Almost makes me think of something they call a lava lamp. I don't know if you've ever heard of one of those. Look at that. I can hear it fizzle. Very cool. There it is. All right, my friends, we're going to turn the light back on. And when you try this experiment, there are some other ideas. I wrote some things down here. Some extra experiments. What happens, so if you do this at home, what happens if you put the cap on after dropping the fizzy tablet in? I don't know, you might want to try that. Or here's another idea. What if you drop a whole tablet in? Remember with ours, we just broke it in half. And then here's another idea. When it stops bubbling, sprinkle some salt into your bottle and see what happens. There you are, scientists. Be curious. Keep experimenting. Learn lots. Have fun.